Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to show your latest IG or Instagram post directly on your website, adding an Instagram feed is a great way to keep your content fresh. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to actually add an IG feed to Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, make sure you open your device, everything is looking good, you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. Go basically to see your dashboard by tapping on Wix.com. Log in and using your email address and password. Okay, so let me show you the Wix dashboard. Okay, I'm gonna tap on Wix, then my sites, then I'm gonna pick this one, and the dashboard will be loading right now. Okay, so basically this is the dashboard. Go and tap design on basically design site. So design site will take you automatically to this page. It's basically Wix website editor. All you're gonna do now is tap on add elements here, as you see. Add elements. Then go all the way to choose socials. We have social bars, share buttons, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, or whatsoever. Now, as you see, we have this social bar. We're gonna go basically and select the IG feed. We have multiple options, we have multiple colors, we have this share buttons as well. We have this feed buttons as well, as you see. So just go ahead, related apps, Instagram follow-ups, feed and grow. You can also basically just install one of these apps so we can use it later. As you see, adding an IG follow as encounter will allow you to read your email address, manage inputs. Okay, so whatever. You can also agree and add it to your website. It's also doable. And that's it. You should then connect your IG account, give it all of the authorizations needed, customize the layout, including the grid style, number of posts, spacing, then save from here and publish. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.